Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone had a great night. I Right. So we're gonna start out with AUD JPY. See what we got here. AUD JPY looks really messy. Let's see. Just gotta play some music here. Let's see what we got. Good morning to Zinqua. Good morning, the Blue Stars. Good morning, Caleb. Good morning, Jewel. All right.
De kommer väl till min city, nej, jag vet att det finns. Kom då, det är bra lives and all nights, yeah. Jag vet att jag min kör det. Skön social, smart good lady. Jag tvivlar det. Visa mig vad du finns, yeah.
Come back to that. Looking at EJ. Got USD news at 7:30. The next 45 minutes, I believe. Man, all this they don't look clean at all.
Looking for someone to save me from all of the things in my past. I'd do anything just to make it stop. Yeah. Tired of sitting and waiting, but every time I open up, there's always someone who lets me down. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. La 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is feeling like I'm going crazy, staying inside in my bed, wishing that someone could wake me up. Yeah, binge watching romantic movies, the ones with the happy end, hoping that someday I'll find the one. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love.
this looks like on the daily. So guys, I hope you keep smashing that like button, guys. JPY pairs really look choppy this morning. Very choppy. So I'm gonna just do everything on the daily and adjust them on the H lower time frame. If I need to let's see what we got. So we're coming down here. GJ is really choppy. We don't have like clean support over here. We kind of have it right here, so we'll see what happens. But then again, we have this minor support over here. So we'll see what happens here. I really don't like how JPY pairs look this morning. EJ looks a little bit better, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, EJ looks a little bit better, so until further notice, I'm probably gonna only trade EJ this morning. Maybe AJ as well. Maybe. We got this thing. You did? Oh, well, maybe I was asleep, Oscar. I was busy. If you asked me a question on Discord and I don't respond, just know I'm unavailable. EJ looks cleaner, so we have a support being formed here. Previous support. So we'll see what happens here. Are we gonna break this support for price to continue pushing down? That's what I'm hoping to see. Today is Friday. Hopefully it's not gonna be slow. Hopefully we can catch us some pips and call it a day.
Because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body. My body.
close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life villa, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunnat ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för det, baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. Och det jag lägger av min tid, jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda, baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig.
Give me a second, Jason.
Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker vilket kap jag har gjort. Jag skulle gå tillbaks i tid, göra om allt igen och förstå. Ser det som ett allt, det är dig jag vill wifa. De här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. Och det jag lägger av min tid, jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda, baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om igen. Jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen och stay with me, please. Jag vet det bara life om igen. Jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen och stay with me, please. Du lägger till, du är där för mig. Jag svär mitt liv kretsar runt dig, baby. Du bär på mina bebek så att när jag visionerar vår framtid. Låt mig hålla dig, baby. Hey, Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om mig. Jag vet det bara ta din tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen och stay with me. Jag vet det bara life om mig. Jag vet det bara ta din tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen och stay with
me. Said, do I think we'll have a retracement to 12,140 on NAS? Got your demand here, supply right here. I mean, right now it depends on what the market wants to do, but we could see price reject this supply zone again for price to push down, and then we just gotta wait to see what NAS 100 is gonna do once the New York Stock Exchange opens. You get more volume. But come New York Stock Exchange, if price should break above this resistance, then wait for a pullback, for price to turn demand zone here, and then you get in the buys. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. So I won't even try trading Nas 100 right now. Plus you have USD news coming up in the next 17 minutes. See what happens with GU once the news is over with. Maybe I will trade GU today. Who knows? Maybe it's gonna be EJ. Honestly, I don't like using watermark. It blurs my vision. I'm guessing that's one of the reasons why some traders don't use watermark on their streams. So we'll see what the market is gonna do today. And just to let you guys know this, even if I don't use watermark on my chart, all you have to do is look to the top left hand corner of your screen, then you'll see the pair that I'm looking at. And at the same time, I'll always let you know what pair I'm looking at, or you ask in the chart. I'm sure someone will let you know. If you're on your phone, it's going to be hard for you to see depending on the kind of phone you're using. But if you're on the computer, you're able to see the pair that I'm looking at, even without me telling you, because it's right there on the top left hand corner. Well, is right here. This is it right here. Euro JPY. It lets you know at the top left hand corner. Because if I'm trading on my own, I don't use watermark. Or if I'm going to use it, that was why before my watermark I set the opacity to like 5% because then I can see the chart more clearly. Looks like London session was slow. We're probably gonna continue coming down here. If we do, then we're probably gonna come down. Maybe up until 135 300, 135 200, or possibly 134 7 to 134 600. So we'll see what happens. Trying to ignore this zone.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again. Everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh, promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh yeah, oh yeah. You sent me be like.
Good morning, Miss Sonia. Nice, Mr. Grind Time. Ages with testing previous high. Yeah. Hold on, AJ. We also got this resistance over here. Just right here. is over here. Over here to the left. So if you're looking for buys, AJ needs to break. If you're looking for buys, AJ needs to break 91.000 because of this resistance here to the left. So
you are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me.
honestly, for me, if GJ doesn't break this resistance here to the left, I'm not going to be taking buys if it does not break this resistance to the left. So this right here, I'm just going to ignore this. My main concern is this resistance here on GJ. Plus, another thing you can look at is that GJ could get back to this resistance here, and actually just reject and start dropping. So that's a possibility. We'll see what GU does after the news. So for now, I'm just gonna leave my chart here on EJ. Yes, Mr. grind time, especially on JPY pairs. EJ looks much better to the left compared to other JPY pairs right now. I don't know about CJ and UJ, but for AJ, NJ, and GJ, EJ looks better. So for now, I'm gonna stick with EJ today. Except if GJ break the resistance I told you guys to the left, which is this right over here. And for AJ, except if it breaks this resistance here to the left over here, then yeah, then I'll look for my buy entry. Now this move here to the upside really looks messy. It's not clean at all. Not clean. So NZD JPY looks a little bit better. Price breaks this support. Then we'll see if we can get an entry for sales.
Sorry for what
But AJ does not look clean at all. GJ does not really look clean at all either. To the downside. You started trading less volatile pairs because you noticed your pace change was your biggest problem. They're helping you get your patience in a better place. Okay, so you don't trade gold as much anymore. Keep smashing that like button, guys. If EJ closes above this support here, I'll be pushing out. Kind of looks like the news is affecting EJ here. That's okay, Jeff. What's the outcome of the news? So if this candle decides to flip bearish, and if we didn't have this support here to the left, I would have taken the sales for price to continue pushing up here, because what that's going to mean that we have a pullback. Price broke this support, broke it, and then retested this for price to continue pushing down. But because we have this support here, I'm gonna wait for price to break and close below 135.900, because price could come back to this support and start ranging, and who knows if it's gonna drop or decides to go up. So Just gonna wait for price to break the support because we have support here to the left. I hope that makes sense. That's another possible scenario. See, this is why I said with NAS 100, you gotta wait. At least wait for New York Stock Exchange to open before you try and get in NAS 100. So I'm gonna just wait and see what EJ is gonna do. So I think I'm gonna do a video and explain more about supply and demand. So you gotta always look to the left to look for your rejection before you take a demand setup or a supply setup. Look to the left to see, do we have a possible rejection at that same zone to the left before you take it. And they also, if you're taking a supply zone, there has to be the bearish candle has to have a wick at the top. Or if that candle does not have a wick at the top, then wait for the next candle before you take it. For example, if you look at this EJ, now if you look at this to the left, you can see we have multiple rejections here to the left. Now over here, what do we have? The bullish candle give us closed with a top wick, and look at the bearish candle. The bearish candle gave us a top wick, also signifying a rejection right there. Now you could have taken this sell here, or you could have taken it at this second candle here, but in this case I wouldn't have taken these sells because we had this support here. It's just too close, so I wouldn't have taken this drop at all. So those are the kind of entries you need to look for when you're trying to take a supply setup. Now, for a demand setup, which we have over here. Now, if we look to the left, do we have possible rejections? Now, we can see that this was a demand setup over here to the left. Now, if we go over here, now we have two indications that the downtrend here is getting weak, which is these two candles here, indecisives. Now when this candle flipped bullish, you could have taken the buys from this demand, and also we have this over here, which was a previous fake out liquidity grab over here. So you already know that, okay, I can take this buy from here because this is clearly a demand setup, and you take your buys. That's what you do. At the same time, you also need to understand that supply and demand setup, they don't work all the time, just like support and resistance setups don't work 100% of the time. this week, AJ has not been moving nicely at all this week. Did we even trade AJ this week at all? I don't think we did. We definitely did not. If this candle flips bearish, we should be coming down here on EJ. Yeah, Asian session this week. I tried trading JPYPS. I just didn't like the setup, so I had to trade GU, and I took GU buys on Sunday. And it was nice. That GU buys was like 70 pips. And that was with leaving a runner after taking partials at 10 pips. So Canadian, whatever pairs I don't trade, I don't look at it. But what you can do is send your chart analysis to the Discord, and I'll take a look at your analysis and tell you what I think. Really hoping EJ drops, because if it drops, then man, that's gonna be very good. We can take a trade and just be done. Man, if this candle flips bearish, I don't know why I keep saying this, but I wish we don't have a support zone here. Because if we did not have a support zone here to the left, I would just be waiting for this candle to flip bearish. And if it does, I will just take the sell. But now, as it stands, I gotta wait for it to break the support. Alright guys, I'll be back. I gotta go use the restroom. We got about 17 minutes here for this before this candle closes, and maybe we'll be able to take a trade between 8 or 9, hopefully. We'll see.
Special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. 'Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, but I don't bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, riding casually, yeah, yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. Anything that you do, everything that you do, everything that you do now. Oh, no, 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 no. baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me, baby girl, another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends. Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in. You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Fanta. Danger how she move, no panta. Hey, Chepe, niña tombong panta, yeah, maybe. Ikata minto, kata for minto. Baby, nice walk, oh no. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends. With your friends. Girl, up for my key. All you really want is my key. Girl, want me to wifey. I don't really show nothing but love. Girl, up for my key. All you really want is my key. Girl, want me to wifey. I don't really show nothing but love. Baby girl, I like it how you move, moving like the ocean. Yeah, she deep like the ocean. She got waves in the hair just like the ocean. Yeah, like the ocean. If it didn't know, swim my man some distance from the ocean. Wavy like the ocean, baby. Yeah, you looking like the ocean. Deep in my pocket like the ocean. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends. Girl, up for my key. All you really want is my key.
Alright, I'm back.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need to remind me, feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I?
Now eventually shut up.
Shawty, don't play that game. Don't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. Know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do. I got a lot to do. I got a lot to do. At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do? I'ma make it loud. How I made you scream like a cockatoo. Turn the pussy wave by the shoulder rest with the cockatoo. What you expect? How I forget these thoughts of you. Don't need no reps, I'm in the jet, gon' fly the coop, fly the coop. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my place. Don't play that. Shawty, don't play that game.
You guys need some reggae? Let me see if Epidemic Sounds, if they have reggae. Let's see if they got reggae. Oh, I can play Little Baby here on YouTube. Well, you asked for reggae. They probably don't have what you're talking about here, because all these reggae artists they have here, I don't even know who they are. I can't play any known reggae artist. I guess that's gonna be a copyright. YouTube is just gonna bam ding my channel. Just gonna click the button, ding. But this is some old school reggae beat here. Old school reggae beat like Bob Marley, Peter Tosh. Yeah, it's definitely old school reggae beat. Really, Jewel? Yeah, that's how you know it's old school reggae. That's one of the ways you know it's old school reggae. Everybody shout hallelujah. What's my decision on GJ? Shit, I have no decision right now. I don't think I will be trading GJ today. Coming to the downside, obviously we got on GJ, we got the support here, we got the support here, and we got the support here, right? So I don't think I'll be trading GJ today. Going to the upside, obviously we got this resistance here, and we have another resistance over here. So for me to even look at buys at all, GG has to break above 161.000, and for sales it honestly has to break below 159.000. Simply because of this support here. The only way I would take the sales, just give me a second here. If we have enough pip range, let's see if we have enough pip range. Okay, all right, not bad. Okay, we have about 30 to 40 pip range here, so not bad. Not bad. Yeah, so you can look for sales below 160.000. Yeah, so not bad. So since you asked, that's what I'm looking at for GJ. Let's do this. See if GG is gonna drop. So we'll see what happens. Boom backlat. Isn't that what they say in Jamaica? Boom backlat. Boop, 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 boop. Man, this is definitely old school reggae. But I didn't click on old school reggae. What's ska? What kind of reggae is ska? SKA. What's that? Is that reggae too? Okay, this one is better. Oh, it's all instruments. Yeah. I gave the reason why I was not selling EJ now is because of the support here to the left. That's why I'm not selling it right now. That's why I'm not selling it. If we didn't have this support here to the left, if we didn't have this support here to the left, oh yeah, I'll definitely be selling it right now because we have a break below this support. Now we have a retest here, nice bearish candle with a top wick, confirming a downtrend continuation here. So that's why I'm not selling EJ now. But you can sell it if you want. But as for me, I'm waiting. Oh no, this one is trash. I don't like this one. This one is trash. No, thank you. Like we have GU should be heading down. GU should be heading down. About a 30 big range. Damn, that's not there. Let's see something here. Well, I took GU sales. Alright, guys, I took GU sales. Well, if you wanna know the reason why I took this sell, GU sales, is because I went to the 4 hour. Now this candle just flipped bullish on the 4 hour, but I took it off of this rejection here, this resistance here. Come on. I'm just trying to catch the pullback back to that support zone. Hopefully it works out. Damn. It's like this thing waited for us to take the sales. Wow. Okay. That's not going as planned. Currently not going as planned. Interesting. Good old Friday. We'll see what happens. I definitely went against the trend here. I wanted to catch that pullback real quick. I'm gonna move my stop loss above this wick here. If you're willing to risk 25 pips, then just do what I'm doing. So that's what I'm gonna do. If not, you can just leave your stop loss very sad. stops me out, it stops me out. It is what it is. Okay, look at AJ. Man. Okay. Yeah. Looks like we do. Just needed to break this resistance here. I'm gonna still wait and see what GU is gonna do. I mean, I normally draw down, but I'm gonna wait and see what it's gonna do. It was a nice rejection on the 4-hour. That was why I took the sales, like I explained to you guys earlier. So we'll see what happens. Even though I went against the long-term trend, we could also be experiencing a break retest for price to continue pushing down here. So we'll see what happens. But if it definitely takes me out, then the trade was definitely wrong. Where are you going, Zay?
milgiya sharafaad mutaysatayo marley magacaad wadaagtaano muquuna haween muglaataaye.
You took L's this week? Are you trading on your own as well, Zay? Is this reggae? Hold on. This is not even reggae. Is this reggae? That ain't reggae. What pairs were you trading on your own? But I'll be honest with you guys, what's going on with GU right now, I wasn't expecting it. After that rejection on the H1 and the H4, show you that zone. Where's that zone? Yep, this resistance here. This is where it rejected. This candle just flipped bullish on us. Now it's creating a resistance here. But I'm gonna let it run. I'm not gonna get out because I'm in a drawdown. Oh, you traded NAS on your own? I mean, this week so far, I believe we've only lost, one trade? And I think that was on Tuesday, if I'm right. Yeah, it was just one. Yeah, and that was on Tuesday, I believe. And Wednesday I didn't stream, so we had a win Monday, lost on Tuesday, win on Wednesday, win on Thursday. Hopefully GU act right. But it keeps rejecting this resistance though. It really should drop, but the market is always gonna do whatever it wants to do. It really should drop. GPY pairs are just acting crazy today. I mean, I just saw the chart you sent, but it's too late for me now to give you any analysis. Look at NAS. What's going on with NAS? It's just like it's at a full stop. NAS has been going up since yesterday. Damn, look at this main daily candle on NAS. It's the main candle. I don't like what I'm saying today. Yeah, I don't think we're even gonna get any GJ trades today at all. Alright, that's it. Yep. Took a loss on GU. That didn't go as planned. Well, I'm gonna update that in the chart. Yeah. Okay. Now is GU gonna break this resistance? Well, I'll see if I can recoup these losses today. If not, I mean, this loss today. If not, then it's gonna have to be possibly Asian session on Sunday or New York session on Monday. Take this. What's going on with Euro USD? Is it going up or dropping? It's probably doing the same thing G is doing. They basically did the same thing. Interesting. JPY pairs are just acting crazy today, man. Okay, USD JPY might probably drop here. Yeah, that should do. Not enough people in though. Yeah, that's coming down. So you just doing the complete opposite of what other JPY pairs are doing. CJ, what's CJ doing? Anyways. Well, guys. over the years, on Fridays, I lose more than I win on Fridays. On Fridays. Mondays, the same thing, but I win more than I lose on Mondays. But Fridays, I lose more than I win on Fridays. So when Friday comes, I'll be like, oh man, here we go again, another Friday. So if I don't see anything I'm convinced with, I'm just gonna take my GU loss today and call it a day. And see what happens session on Sunday. And if nothing happens, then we're back to New York session for the rest of the week. Now, EJ closed above this support here, already created a resistance over here, so we'll see what EJ does. If this candle flips, I'm gonna take the buys. Back to this resistance. So we'll see. I'm gonna take the buys manually. I don't have a buy stop. GU, you better not drop right now. You definitely have to keep going up. Don't even try dropping after taking me out. It's getting you high as a kite. We're not in any trade currently. How many of you took the GU sales? Because it looks like some of you didn't take it. No, I don't have a buy stop on EJ. Man, I don't know how to pronounce your name. Yeah, when I when I took the sales on GU, I explained the reason why I took it. I knew I was going against the trend, but I took it off of that 1 hour and 4 hour rejection at resistance. So this BS move it did, I wasn't expecting it. That's to show you that, you know, whatever strategy, whatever setup you're looking for, it doesn't work 100% of the time. So now, does that mean your strategy doesn't work? No, that's not what it means. It simply means this industry is not 100%, nothing is guaranteed. If everything is guaranteed, every trader will be rich right now. Alright, come on, EJ, give me that flip. Yeah, if you stayed on the lower time frame, you wouldn't have saw what I saw on GU. I saw it on the higher time frame. That was why I took it. Then I took it on the lower time frame. It just didn't work this time around. Just wanted to catch that pullback real quick. Let's see if EJ gonna give me everything back. EJ's still playing here. I didn't take it yet. Oh boy. I didn't take EJ yet, just wait for my signal. Oh, yep, there you go. G's about to flip. I thought as much. All right. Let's see what happens. All right, I took EJ. Well, I took EJ. Last trade and I'm done. Whatever happens. Alright, this is gonna be the last trade of the day, guys. Let's see what EJ does. I'll be back. I'll use the restroom. Man, look at EJ. Boy. Well, whatever happens with this trade, guys, I'm done with trading on Fridays. Stream is now going to be Monday to Thursday. That's it. Like I said earlier, Fridays, I lose more than I win over the years. So that's a clear indication for me to stop trading on Fridays. Yep, I'm trading EJ. We went from a nice bullish flip to a bearish flip. But at the same time, we could just be retesting the support zone here to the left. So we'll see what happens. I don't like Fridays at all. I hate Fridays. I've had some traders call, what do you call it? Some traders call Mondays and Fridays trap days. But I prefer trading Mondays to trading Fridays. We said there's no good range on buys on the H1 time frame. Zinqua. So just know streaming for me now and including trading on my own as well is Monday to Thursday. That's it. No more Fridays for me. getting out, guys. I'm getting out of this trade. I took my loss. I took my loss, guys. I got out. Two losses. Two losses. Damn, what the hell? I know, man. Well, we had a bad day today. Out of the game. Out of the game. All right. Come back on Monday and do this again. What the hell? So guys, that's the update. Like I told you guys earlier, my streams is gonna be Monday to Thursday. There'll be no more streams on Fridays. Like, it's pretty clear. Like the pairs that I really trade, like they're not doing nothing today. Nothing. So GU, the first trade I took, I was pretty confident on that sell I took, but it didn't work out. EJ wasn't really sure about EJ, so minimized my risk on this one, but then it didn't play out as well, so 2 losses for today. Alright guys, I'll see you guys. What's wrong with spreads? Oh man, you failed your MFF. You said I didn't know. You didn't know what I saw today. Yeah, I mean I don't know. Fridays for me. That's how it is for me on Fridays, and but I'm stopping it right now. Fridays is done. Fridays is not taking my money anymore. Not taking my money anymore. And I say this as well. When it comes to this industry, you really don't have to trade every single day. You don't have to trade every week. I know some traders, they only trade 2 days a week. Some trades only once. And some people trade all day, every day. So I stick to Monday to Thursday. And how I knew that Friday doesn't work for me, I mean that I lose more than I win on Fridays, was because I journal. I have the trading journal. It's not here in my office, it's somewhere in my room. So I know that I lose more than I win. Like the losses I took today, I'm gonna write them down. I keep a record of my wins and my losses. So I suggest you do the same so you'll be able to identify. Also, make sure you add the session that you trade as well, so you'll be able to identify the best trading sessions that works for you, the best trading days that works for you, and then you stick to those days and their session. That's why I stuck to New York session, because I win more than I lose during New York session, and Monday to Thursday works for me. I'm not saying Monday to Thursday like I'm gonna have winning streak all the time, because it's not gonna happen all the time. But overall, over the years, sticking to Monday to Thursday works better for me. Friday doesn't work for me. I lose more than I lose. Sometimes I will lose on Mondays, but for the most part, I win a lot more on Mondays. I mean, even here on this stream, Mondays, like, we win a lot. But we've had some losses too on Mondays, but we win more than we lose. Anyways, let me stop the preaching. I'll see you guys on Monday. If you're in the premium signal, we took 2 losses today. But Sunday agent session, obviously, if I see any good setup, I'll take it myself and I'll send it to you guys. So, see you guys on Monday. Oh, this is Memorial Day weekend. Have a great Memorial Day weekend, guys. I'll see you guys on Monday.